How to make roasted potatoes in an air fryer. Chop 2 potatoes into cubes. Wash the potatoes thoroughly. For meal prep, store the excess in the refrigerator. I end up using only half a potato per serving. In a bowl, add the potato and mix in half a teaspoon of avocado oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, and salt to taste. Mix well until the potato pieces are evenly coated. Place the potatoes in the air fryer. Cook at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes, and you can mix them about halfway. The potatoes will come out golden brown, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Serve with scrambled eggs, pico de gallo, and avocado for a complete meal. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow.